Mythbusters fall back to the bunker because soon that water heater is going to blow.
We are at 200 psi.
The question is, will it extinguish the impending fire?
This is Command Central. We've got a view of the ignition point. We've got a view of the room where we expect the fire to occur. We've got our ignition switch and our pressure meter. We're all set. It's nice when our gauges match.
I personally think the fire's going to take about two and a half minutes to get to the point of no return. And I think that our hot water heater is going to put it out when it explodes. But I think it's also going to destroy the house. This is the most tense part of the operation. So I think it will be a plus and a minus all at the same time. But we'll find out soon enough.
After 1.5 hours, the tank is closing in on the explosive butter zone. So it's over to our fire starter.
All right, here we go. Setting the fire. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, worked like a charm.
That worked. Holy crap.
Oh, wow.
Inside the house, the flames quickly take hold.
The smoke is obscuring. It's still going strong, but it's obscuring my upper camera.
And with the fire raging and the water heater at 300 psi, they're ready to fight one disaster with another.
All right, Jamie, I'm going to give you the countdown. Are you ready?
You got a good fire?
Yeah, I got a good fire.
All right.
Here we go. Fire in the hole. We are going to blow this hot water heater in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on back in. Come on, water heater.
Whoa! It's up. I see it. It's coming down.
Wham! It landed on the land. There's no house left.
I don't see any fire, though. I see some smoke.
That was clearly a household disaster. And initially, it looks like the water heater extinguished the fire. However, once the dust settles...
Looks like we still have a little bit of a fire. Doesn't look like the water heater helped out very much.
Fire Chief, for your information, we have extinguished the fire, but there's still some smoldering, so a little water here and there would take care of the finishing it off.
And as the fire crew put out the smoldering wreckage...
This is why we can't have nice things.
It's clear an exploding water heater is not a fire extinguisher.
That could not have been more spectacular. We had one household disaster, a small fire started in a wastebasket, compounded by a second household disaster, an exploding hot water heater, that caused a third and ultimately fatal to the house disaster that is completely destroying the house. Remember, the whole point of this was to find out if one household disaster, the water heater, could countermand the other one, the fire. Not only didn't it, it also took the entire house out while it went. Fantastic result. Really, I can't make a okay sign with this hand. Yes!
What amazes me is that there were no explosives involved here. This little piece of sheet metal, though, did that. Did it put out the fire? Some of it. Did we save the house? Oops.
Well, I think it's pretty obvious how we should call this. What do you think?
Yep. What do you think, guys?
Busted!
Let's go home.